بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are in page 80, the second part. So let's get started. So we have أمثلة على الواو الصغيرة. Examples on the vowels, the small wow or the long vowel wow. الواو المادية التي ترسم بين حرفين الأول مضموم أو التي ترسم بعد هاء الضمير ولم يلحق بها همزة. They are just saying that this ha, how it looks like, okay, this ha, how it looks like after wow and after ha. Okay, most of the time it comes after ha, and sometimes it comes after wow, like the previous lesson we did. It came on the word وَقَتَلَ دَاوُودُ. Okay, now if a hamza comes after this one, the rules are going to change. Okay, so you'll see those ones when you're doing other subjects or topics. So we have the first one here, وَفِي صَا, remember alif صغيرة, وَفِي صَالُهُ, وَفِصَالُهُ ثَلَاثُونَ, lam with alif صغيرة, ثلاثون, وفصاله ثلاثون, وفصاله ثلاثون. Remember, you can read the red, blacks, and the reds. Then you join all of them, okay? وفصاله ثلاثون, وفصاله ثلاثون. Repeat it like 5 times. Make sure it's easy. Next one, فيضاعفه له, فيضاعفه له, فيضاعفه له. So فيضاع ألف صغيرة, عفه الواو المادية, هو الواو المادية, and there is a ha before it. Okay, this one we call ha الضمير, the ha of a pronoun. Okay, you learn this kind of pronouns in Arabic. طيب, let's continue. فيضاعفه له, فيضاعفه له. The second one, ما له, ماله وولده, وولده, ماله وولده, ماله وولده. Okay, then we have إلهه, إلهه, إله ألف صغيرة, إلهه, هواه. Look at the wow here, it has the ألف صغيرة. إلهه, هواه, إلهه, هواه, إلهه, هواه. You see these 3 ha meeting? The middle one is the one which is long. Ha. إلهه, هواه. This is another word, this is another word. طيب, إلهه, هواه. طيب, then we have here يعيده, وهو, يعيده وهو. طيب, يعيده وهو, الواو المادية, the long wow. فمثله, كمثلي, فمثله كمثلي. Then let's go to this next one. أوتي, Make sure you get this word. Let's go to the next word. Then look, we have Alif Saghira, please do not forget about that, and we have the long waw and the long ya as well. So this line, it comprises of all of them: Alif Saghira, Al-Waw al-Maddiya, and the Ya al-Maddiya. The long Alif, the long waw, and the long ya. Kitabahu, 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 kitabahu. Utiya kitabahu, utiya kitabahu. Bishimalihi, bishimalihi, bishimalihi. Fayaqulu, fayaqulu. Utiya kitabahu bishimalihi fayaqulu. If you can read this one just like that without any mistake, you are really doing a great job. طيب. Utiya kitabahu bishimalihi fayaqulu. Okay, repeat it like 3, 5, 10 times until you feel that it's easy. So please make sure the easy things are easy. Okay, so we have the first one: وَفِصَالُهُ ثَلَاثُونَ فَيُضَاعِفَهُ لَهُ فَيُضَاعِفَهُ لَهُ مَالُهُ وَوَلَدُهُ ماله وولده إلهه هواه إلهه هواه يعيده وهو يعيده وهو فمثله كمثل easy peasy فَمَثَلُهُ كَمَثَلِ. Then the last one here we have أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ بِشِمَالِهِ فَيَقُولُ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ بِشِمَالِهِ فَيَقُولُ. Okay, فَيَقُولُ. طيب, inshallah, please make sure you repeat this one. Make sure it's easy. Make sure you understand the Alif Saghira, the long waw, and the long ya. Inshallah, ma'a salama. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with the other people. Inshallah, thank you for watching.